Google's Lambda language model for dialogue applications, formerly known as Google Bard, is a conversational AI developed by Google. Lambda is designed to engage in natural and open-ended conversations with users. It's trained on a wide range of text sources to understand context and generate responses that are relevant and coherent. Some of its features and merits include: 1. Contextual understanding. Lambda can understand context from previous parts of the conversation, allowing it to generate more relevant responses to open-ended conversations. It excels in engaging users in open-ended conversations, providing responses that feel more human-like and natural. 3. Natural language processing. Lambda utilizes advanced natural language processing techniques to comprehend and generate human-like responses. 4. Versatility. It can be used in various applications including chatbots, virtual assistants, and other dialogue systems, enhancing user interactions.